asked you, Eugene, how do you sustain yourself? Where do the water come from, right? And so then I had the thought of, well, the earth is made of mostly water, and then we are made of mostly water. So it's only fair for me to assume that the trees are also made of mostly water, only not the part that we see that's above ground, but below. So the roots hold in the moisture. The roots have the water, right? And then if one tree may be, their roots is not as moistened or holds as much water as the other ones. When you in a park like this and you got trees everywhere, they roots intertwine. So above, they might look separate a little bit. They got their own trunks and stuff, but below, in the depths, they all intertwine together. They one, and they help each other out, but they also, they help each other out, but they also know how to block a particular tree that is sick or might, is not being fruitful. They know how to block those off. They know how to support each other. They know how to make way for one another. Have you ever noticed how trees curve? Like they start out one way and then they curve, or some curve like this. Some start like this and then they curve at some point, and then some curve like this, and then some just kind of round it off like an arch. Look at this one. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. You see how this tree right here, it curves and it goes over like so. Anyway, they make room for each other. I used to wonder why. I asked Eugene that too. Why do the trees curve the way they curve? But some of them are making room for the other trees to be able to grow and to sprout. So they don't keep each other from growing. They don't have that crabs in the bucket mentality, right? I noticed that the stronger trees may curve a little bit, or a part of them, like a branch could curve over a little bit, and it's